Hi everyone! Today we're creating a maintenance platform for a horizontal tank. We'll quickly model a horizontal tank and then move on to something more important, creating a maintenance platform on top of it. Once the main body is ready, we can move on to access and maintenance design. First, I draw a simple rectangular shape to define the overall footprint of the platform. This helps me visualize the frame and understand how much space I have around the tank. At this stage, I'm not focusing on details, just setting the main boundaries and proportions. Now that the frame is ready, let's select the structural profile. In this case, I'll go with an HCA 120 beam. It's a good choice for platforms where people need to walk and climb. Strong enough, but not oversized for this type of structure. It also keeps the model clean and proportional. The idea is simple. Follow the rectangular frame and add legs to support the platform. Now I'm adding grating as the platform flooring. I'll increase the mesh size a bit. This keeps the model cleaner and lighter, especially when working with larger layouts. It's a small detail, but it really helps with overall performance and visibility. Now I'm adding the support legs. These will carry the entire platform, so I place them evenly and keep everything aligned with the frame. Good positioning here makes the structure look clean and also more realistic from an engineering point of view. My goal here is to maintain access to this nozzle, so the grating will be cut where the nozzle passes through the platform. Because of that, I need to place structural beams close to this area. The grating itself cannot carry significant loads, so proper support around the opening is essential. This way, we keep both functionality and structural integrity. We can also see that the platform needs to be raised a bit. When we raise the platform, we also need to adjust the nozzle height accordingly. In some cases, the nozzle can stay as it is, but then the instrument connected to it may end up too low for comfortable access. So it's always a balance between equipment position and operator usability. If we only need access to a single nozzle, we can also question the platform size. Instead of keeping it large, we can shorten the platform and make it more compact. This saves material, reduces cost, and keeps the structure more efficient, while still providing the access we need. There's a small issue in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Once I create the grating, I can't properly stretch it right away. To fix this, I need to save the drawing, close it, and then reopen it. So that's what I'm doing now before continuing. Alright, the grating is now fixed. Now let's create access to the platform. How about a ladder? It's a simple and compact solution, especially when space is limited. But we also need to consider usability. Ladders are not always the most comfortable option for frequent access. Imagine you need to climb up here twice a day to about 4 meters height. Our platform is around 3.7 meters. In that case, a ladder doesn't feel like the best solution. For frequent access like this, stairs are much more comfortable and safer to use. Stairs also come with certain design requirements. Ideally, the angle should be around 45 degrees for comfortable and safe use. In some cases, it can go up to 60 degrees for more compact or special applications. But anything steeper than that starts to feel more like a ladder. Here I'm choosing slightly steeper stairs, not the most comfortable option, but they fit better within the available space and hardware. Sometimes you have to balance comfort with geometry, especially in compact design. In this case, about 1 meter of platform width is enough to provide proper access. We could place the stairs at a 90-degree angle to the platform, which is a common solution. But in this case, I'm going for a more compact layout, so I'll place the stairs parallel to the platform instead. This helps save space and keeps the structure tighter. I'm finishing by connecting the stairs to the platform with a small 1 by 1 meter landing. I'm adding a grading panel to this landing area to complete the platform surface. Now everything is connected and ready for use. And now comes the fun part, adding the railings. But don't rush this step. It's better to leave railings for later, because you might still need to adjust or move the platform. Otherwise, you'll end up fixing a lot more elements than necessary. Let's be honest, railings add a lot of visual appeal to the model. They make the structure look more complete and realistic, not just functional. And that's it for this model. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.